Super scary sound emitting from a mountain in Guizhou, China for more than 10 days. Many people are looking for the reason, but nobody can find the source of this horrible sound. Experts from Beijing also came to do research. However, so far no one knows where the sound came from. Some say this is called earthly dragon sound, warning about some kind of disaster like earthquake, volcano, flood. Some say the Bible also mentioned this sound. This is a signal warning that catastrophe is coming. Many say this is the sound of the people who died under the Chinese Communist Party dictatorship. In the last 70 years, the CCP has killed many innocent people. This is the sound from the hell. The gate of the hell is opening to pull the CCP down. All these opinions have one thing in common, warning about coming disaster. Coincidentally, on the 2nd of July, an earthquake of 4.5 Richter happened exactly at the place where the sound located. The CCP has to pay for its evil crime. Heaven is punishing it. Everyone should not stand with it, otherwise you will get the same result with it.
被传达出来，他是运动格式。